Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, and please do get involved with the channel, really helps me out. I appreciate all you guys very much for joining me again for another daily update on Polygon. As we can see here then on the charts, a pretty clean breakdown, backtest and continuation of this big bear market support that we have been sitting on for a number of years for Polygon. So quite a significant breakdown in this last few days. You can see here, obviously yesterday with that big wick and continuation to the downside, coming down, getting a back test in towards that 50-cent level of support. Obviously the 0.23 Fibonacci here at 54 cents acting as the support as well. Today getting a bit more of a, you can see this huge wick though. A lot of cryptos shaping up exactly like this. Solana looking exactly like this as well. You can see this big wick yesterday as we did get a recovery from that, you know, basically that parabolic move to the downside. Today with a green candle for Polygon here as we look to basically figure out what's going on. Following pretty much exactly what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's chopping sideways still and basically completely destroying the altcoin market. Bitcoin's sideways action over the past few months has led to a massive bleeding and culling of the altcoin market. Go and look through all your altcoins on your coin market cap list and you will see a collection of down the charts with lots of red candles. Basically pretty much the top 100 all looking basically the same in terms of correlation. Altcoins getting slaughtered, Bitcoin dominance rising, Bitcoin just essentially going sideways whilst the rest of the altcoin market trickles to the downside, I should say. Jesus Christ, get my words out. As you can see then, Polygon basically just consolidating still in this bear market area, very much looking for a break above that 130 level really to get into a bull market zone for Polygon. We could see ourselves coming up like this, back testing and continuing. Most likely we will see Polygon moving to the upside. But for now, Polygon breaking down and really consolidating, back testing levels of support. A lot of altcoins looking very bottomed out and very sad right now. Let's see what happens over the next few weeks if Bitcoin can behave itself.